Drop it.
Yeah, good morning. Can you guys hear me okay? Mic check, mic check. Are we good? Good morning, good morning. How are you? How's everybody doing? Yep. All right. Well, let's get into the video, guys, because we have the simplest, most powerful trading system on earth. I'm going to prove it to you. There was an update that got sneaked out late last night. Everyone give a round of applause to Hot Potato. The man works, rain, snow, sleet, shine in Vancouver. Yeah, you're going to become an American citizen, buddy. Trump, do your thing. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and look at the chart. There was an update here, guys. I want you to follow along. Can you guys do that for me? All right, I want you all to follow along. Check this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to GT Legends, and I want you guys to pay attention to the DSR take profit and dynamic range. Now, these two values are basically the thickness of your line. Okay. Now, DSR based take profit risk to reward is 1.5. Before we had a 1-to-1, you guys can now establish a 1.5. So what does this mean? This means if we enter here right now, let's go ahead and let's do that, right? Let's say we just entered right there. Your take profit's already set for you, right? So it's dynamic. You know what your risk is? This is a 1.5-to-1 here. So I would simply go ahead, take profit here and set my stop pretty much right there, right? So now we have at our 1.5-to-1 here. Bring this up a little bit. Okay, so we can do that now. It's spelled out for you, right? You have your 1.5-to-1 relative to your entry, not just the template on the chart. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to something here because I'm doing something that's going to help you psychologically. Whoa, we're zooming in and out, right? Now, what I want you all to do and get in the habit of doing, right click on a chart and make sure you lock price to bar ratio. Make sure that it's selected. Now, why would we do this? Well, trading is psychological, right? And so if we're zoomed in on these damn candles, they look so big. And we lose sight of everything around it. Remember, trading is psychological, correct? We lose sight of everything around it, so we zoom out, right? And when we zoom out, these candles don't look so scary, do they? And as you can see right now, up a cool $1,000 without even trying. Now the system gave me an alert, right? The system gave me an alert. It put me in a position to be profitable. We have an MACD cross, everything equal fluence. This looks like a decent trade. We're above the 200, and then we're good, right? Now, Hot Potato actually brings up something important. You want to make sure that before you lock it, you set it to the proper scale, right? And then once you do that, let's say go ahead and auto scale this, right? And then go ahead, lock it. So now it's locked. Perfect. Now we're locked. Sweet. We're locked in, guys. All right. Again, this prevents these candles from having that overwhelming feeling of being too big and taking over your emotions, right? Okay, so we have a take profit that is now user editable. So you're now forced to a 1-to-1. You know exactly where a 1.5-to-1 is per your entry. Cool. This is going to help you manage your risk a lot better. Awesome. Okay. Also, I want to show you guys something. Okay. We got a little Easter egg. We got an Easter egg in the update. Some of you, well, I know most of you because you motherfuckers don't read. You guys, like, it's evident with the support ticket questions I get, Anthony gets, hot potato. Guys, I'm not tech support, so please don't you ever fucking DM me about tech support. And neither is hot potato. I do not pay him for that either. He's an engineer. He is not tech support. So, I mean, just because he looks like it doesn't mean stereotypical assholes. Anyways, let's get back to the chart. I want to show you guys something. Fucking Easter eggs. Gotta love it, right? Whoa. Here we go. Now I'm just going to chill in this trade. So we've done everything that we can to help you, right? Psychologically, right? We manage the candles, make sure that the candles don't feel so aggressive, right? You zoom out and focus on the real estate, right? This is going to help you with their psychology. Okay, great. Next up, we go into Titan GT 3.0. There's something else you can do. It's called Show Gabe's Eye Exit Signals. Hey. All right. Now, this was originally for Gabe trades, but we're going to give it to you guys here over at 1348. Now, what is the beauty of this? Oh. Who wants to hold my beer? Anybody want to hold my beer? Or anybody want to hold my big, heavy, brown, roasted nuts? Watch this. Okay? Check this out. Now, you see we have our markers here, right? Indications of, hey, come check out the chart. Okay? Come check out the chart, right? So this is what we have by default for you guys. We have checkmark by default. New trade design. You want to go ahead and set that once per bar. That's cool. Band change. You want to set that once per bar. Cool. Gabe's eye exit alert. I want that once per bar. Close. Okay. Now I click OK. I go ahead now. I click alerts. So when you're in alerts, you select your symbol and then you select your condition, which is Titan GT 3.0, and then make sure any alert or function call is selected here, right? So what it's going to do is going to create the alerts for all the checkmark conditions that you have in your settings. We're going to go ahead and hit create. Now, once created, we can go on over to our alerts and we could see that we have all of our conditions here. It's now live. Okay, this is great. Now, I'm chilling here in this trade. Gotta love it. So, what have we done? We've created an alert for trade design as it's happening. We create an alert for Gabe's eye per candle close, and we create an alert for the change of the band color as it's happening, right? So what does this mean? Who's following me so far? Who's following me so far? Right? You don't need to know anything about trading, but if you have your alerts set, it's going to teach you everything about our system. More importantly, it's going to put you in trades that have the highest probability, none of the level bounces and none of that crap, right? None of the gap fill nonsense, none of that 1 minute nonsense. You guys are just, you're running circles. You're just losing your mind. Okay, so check this out. All right, so this is what we're going to do. I love this. Check it out, guys. For those who are constantly beat up by candles, you know who you are. Those candles, oh my God, they make you so nervous. They freak you out, right? Now, we try to disarm the candle with the scaling, correct? We try to disarm this candle with the scaling. Okay, cool. So here we go, right? What we've done here, and I want you guys to do this as well, okay? I want you to go ahead, create a double screen, of your candles here, over here on the other side, right? So basically, you're simply going to right click on your main chart and then apply these indicators to entire layout. It's going to populate itself here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hide the candle. Right. So now that we hide the candle, guys, all we do is press the Alt button on our keyboard and click. Now the candles are gone. We're on the main page. So you entered the trade. You want patience. You don't want to get freaked out by the candle. Well, you nailed your entry. You know your alerts and conditions. We're going to alert you on the trade, right? And so now you're not prompted by a candle to do something you're not supposed to do. And the one thing that you're not supposed to do is get punked by a candle. Why? Because, come on, guys, listen. If you are going to get punked by a candle, if you're going to get punked by a candle, I mean, why? What is the significance of this candle when it's very much insignificant on the 30? Very much. Now, if we want to understand why we got rejected, there you go. That was the 200 on the 30. But you can see clear as day that that 5-minute candle that might have prompted you to get out has absolutely no value. This candle has no value until I get an alert on a band change. Now, check this out, guys. An exit is either going to be a game's eye exit or a band change exit. That is all. If you're not alerted on those conditions, it hasn't happened. Therefore, we don't exit. Huh. Guys following along? Who's following along? Let me know in the comment section who is following along, because now we are entirely alerts driven. We've taken psychology, grabbed it by the balls and said, no, you are not going to make me a fool. And then we go ahead and we hang out on the candleless side, right? Now, of course, everyone's going to go ahead and get freaked out by dollar amounts, guys. I don't care about $1,800 because I don't. Let me go ahead and highlight something for you guys, right? So we're on this chart. We're in the trade. We go ahead, open up the double panel, click Alt, and then just click on your mouse. Now you're here. Now I want to show you guys something. Okay? Pay attention. Listen, Linda. Trade design here, right? We get an alert here. We go ahead and we look at the chart. Did we break the band? No. Okay, we're cool. There we go. We get another alert here, right? We go ahead and we look at the chart. Did we break the band? No. Okay, cool. Oh, we're going to get an alert when this happens. Uh-oh. We're going to get an alert when that happens. Now, trade design here. We get in. Did we get a game's eye alert? No, but we got a band shift alert. We went short and we got a band shift alert. We're here long. Do we have any alert or condition to tell us to get out right now? No. Let's go ahead and look at yesterday. Sweet. We got a trade design entry yesterday. We get the entry, we jump on over to our secondary chart, and all we have is the band. Now, the band is the only thing that's moving. It's not a shit ton of candles that's messing you up and messing you up here. So now all you're waiting for is, oh, wait, I got this. Okay. Did we get a band shift? Right? Did we get a band shift yet? No. All right, I want to show you guys something now, right? We get a band shift right here. Why? And we go ahead and we turn on On the candle close, we got alerted. We broke the level. That could be profit. Either way, whether you take profit here, you take profit here, this is still a profitable trade, right? And it's going to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minute hold for a profitable trade. Now, I've worked with you guys on longevity, and I've worked with you guys over in Trade Camp, and I've worked with you guys in the Mag 5. And one thing that I pay attention to the most is average trade time. Now, you cannot go ahead and expect the market to pay you a shit ton if you're only holding for 3 minutes. Like, bro, get on HIMS and order that Viagra, baby, because you need to last a little longer. At least 10 minutes. At least twice. 2 candles. Hold on. Why are we thinking 2 candles? Well, 2 candles at the minimum, if we consider an ATR of the instrument. So let's say the ATR or the DSR of NQ is 40 points. Well, 2 candles on average, if the DSR is 40 points, with 2 candles will get you 80 points of profit on average. Right? So whether you're trading MNQ or you're trading NQ, right? You know, hey, I can make money. You see what I'm saying? Now, we come back to the church here, right? So, oh my God, we got an entry, right? Hold on. What is this also showing us, boys and girls? It's showing us levels, baby. We got the signal here in a level, got the bounce, right? Come on up. Why did we fail here? The 200, baby, that's a level. We come on down, trade design down. We do not get a signal or a band change. Check it out, boys and girls. We get in at 19,438. You get a signal at 19,299. If you decided to still be stubborn, you then get this alert here where this happens. Guess what? You're still profitable. Holy hell. Actually, hold on. Newsflash. Listen, Linda. Whoa. Let me get back to my chart here. Let's see here. I'm profitable. Oh my God. Let me show you guys something. Boom. Where was my take profit? I'm up $6,000. Right? GameSide just alerted me to get out. Well, flickered, got the alert. Boom. Where was I? This is where I needed to be. The market just said, fuck you, Gabe. We don't want you teaching people this. Talk about getting shortchanged. Ladies, I know exactly how you feel now. Right? You're 30 seconds away. He's a pump and a half. Thank God. Fellas, make that a slow pump and a half. Okay. So, that's wild, right? We need 10% on that, Gabe. Woo! All right. So, we're doing good here, right? Are we doing good here? I need to make sure you guys see this, that we are doing great. We're doing great here. You're green as hell. Why did I turn into Mickey Mouse? Wait, am I back to normal? Am I back to normal? Yeah, I'm telling you, it's game over. It's game over. I have not received an indication. Yeah, my voice changed with excitement. Yeah, I get excited. Right. Oh, jeez. Oh, show you the system live. So what's my plan? Well, my plan was my 1.5 to 1, baby. Okay, it's going. I have not been alerted otherwise. That really sucks that it came right up here, right? But what a feeling, huh? What a feeling. Showcasing the system in all its glory in real time. And we're making bank, right? So I'm just going to leave that alone. But yes, trade design banned. We don't have anything that tells us to get out. Now, in a situation like this, right? Yes, I'm being warned to take the bag. Hold on. In a situation like this, I have a choice. I have a choice, boys and girls. If I'm going to hold for all of this because that's what I want, I have to accept that now I'm going all or nothing, baby. That is it. If I'm going to accept that that's the bag that I want, I'm going all in. Now my stop protects my entry. I am done. Now I don't really care about this trade. Why? Because I got 3 more for the day. Not going to win them all, but I'm sure as hell going to manage my risk. Okay, so we're going to see if that thing gets filled. If not, I walk away with like $20-$30 profit. But hey, you guys want to watch in suspense while I get my order filled? Let's see. Right? Everything in Confluence, MHCD, the band is going. Nothing's telling me to get out. Nothing. Right? Right? You start feeling like an R. Kelly music video. My mind is telling me no, but my body is telling me yeah. No, I'm kidding. All right, look, we're gonna get the fill. We're gonna get the fill. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, whatever. So, there we go. There we go. I feel like I'm coaching myself and I'm in labor. Oh my God, what a tease, right? What a tease. But the thing is, let's go ahead and come here and then, well, hide. Let's go ahead and hide this once again. That's it. Right? And so, why am I doing this? It's because I've committed myself to that take profit. Now you could see that the trade is going against me. I mean, I could see it, right? Simply by the DSR coming on down. I could see that. Okay. But I'm really not going to try to pay attention, right? I've committed myself to this sell limit and I brought this to break even. I should take profit. Everyone's like secure the bag, right? But I'm just showing you guys how this would be done. Okay. Now, we're here. Oh, we're still here. Life's good. Ain't nobody stressing, baby. Nobody's stressing. Life's good here. Let's get that fill. It's almost there. Like I need, there you go. I need 6 points, baby. 6 points. Come on. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Let's go. Okay. So we got that. What do you guys think? Right? How this would help your psychology, right? You would have to go ahead and say, if you got this far, you're gonna have to accept all or nothing. Right? Now, if you can't accept all or nothing, now that becomes the question, right? That becomes a yes or no question. Can I accept all or nothing? Yes? Cool. Guess what? The market no longer has power over you. Whoa. Whoa. How liberating is that, guys? How liberating is that? Let's get on over to the comments here. Right? You liberate yourself to all or nothing. The market no longer has power over you. Psychology is completely managed, right? We give you actionable, objective exits. We don't say, hey, I'm just going to exit here. We exit when we get an alert or if we get a break of the band. Now, see, I didn't get an alert or anything like that. So here you go. I'm enjoying 7K in profit. Hold on, 7,100 in profit. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm enjoying it. It's right there. That's the high of the day, huh? Uh, and Daniel Mitch, it's already been released. Go ahead and update your charts. It's already been released. Yes. Okay. You know what? It was one try, two tries, whatever. Right. Now, what I can do is say, all right, listen, I'll set my stop just above break even and I'll make some coin. Everybody wants me to take it. Why? Why should I take it? Guys, Jesse is like secure, please. Okay, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. You ready? Okay, you guys ready for a little pro tip here? You guys ready for a little pro tip here? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who is ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Okay. No, 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 guys. Dang. Right? Now, yeah, I'm going to secure this, but let me show you something. Let me show you something. Right? Check this out. Now, I could go ahead since the alert to exit the trade's going to be a shift or breaking the band anyways. I set my stop underneath the band. That's what I'm doing, boys and girls. That's what I'm doing. So you know what? I don't care. This is a profitable trade. It's now me saying, okay, am I going to trade my game, trade my system, trade my plan? If you're like, take it, because what the candles are doing, then you're sort of kind of defeating the purpose of what we're trying to do here, right? Okay. So back to this. Hey, my stop is just underneath the band. That's an exit any damn way. And I'm chilling and I'm waiting. And someone said, Gabe, with all disrespect, there's only a few bucks. With no disrespect and with all respect. Right? Let me tell you something. I trade my plan. I don't trade the market's plan. I don't trade your plan. I trade my plan. Now I'm 100% okay with the end result always. Why? Because it was my plan. It was what I'm comfortable with. It's what my brain said. Gabe, you cool? We cool. Are we cool? Because we are. The chart's cool. Are you safe? Yeah. Manage your risk? Yeah. Okay. So what else is there to do? Right? Anxiety kicking in. And that's why we go ahead and we throw it here like, ow, we're chilling. We're chilling, right? There you go. Don't see it coming. Exactly, Jesse. No matter what, I am profitable on my terms and I'm okay with it, right? Some of you just want to be profitable for the sake of being profitable because your ego, oh my God, a poor little delicate flower. Your ego, you don't want to lose. No, who cares about your ego? Of course, we play to win, but you will find that when you play the system, and I got stopped out. Cool. I made like 2,900 bucks, $3,000. Whatever. Good. $3,000, $6,000. It's really no difference to me. It is meaningful money that if you put yourself in a position, who would change their lives if they put themselves in a position to make $3,000 every day. Oh, wait. Everybody in the comment section was like, I'll just go with 1K. Me for sure. I'd be happy with 500. Yes, 2,000 a day is life changing. 1K to great weekend. Yes. There you go. And look, listen. All right. Just came down. I touched it. But, you know, it really sucks. Well, JMax says 2,000 days, a million a year. But something interesting here. Did I get an alert? Now, let me go ahead and look at my log. I got no alert. I got no alert. That means that band never changed. I was just underneath the band to protect myself. It waked me out when I got no alert. So, baby, check this out. Check this out, right? Game on. It's still on. The game is still on. Still on. It's still on. Got no alert. Got nothing. Made 3,000. Cool. Right? Now I'm like, here we go. I got no alert. None. 300, come back up, make a few, see, here we go, 600, I guys see right there, right? No alert. I'll go ahead and trade my plan once again. All that was just a little breathe, like a breath. I'll go ahead and sell right here. We know where this thing has gone before, right? That band looks healthy. Everything looks healthy. I could probably squeeze another 1,000 out this trade. And then we're good, right? Because we're alerts driven, right? We're not going to go counter trend. We're not going counter trend because there's nothing that says counter trend, right? Here, let's say counter trend. What I'm looking at is the MACD. That looks a little sensitive right here. That's what I'm paying attention to is the MACD now. That looks a little sensitive right there. So you know what? Let me just scalp this and make some money. Let's just make some money. Let's scalp this damn thing. Let's see if we get a little bit more of a pop. Let's get a pop up really quick. 225, 100. Come on. Let's get that little pop. MACD still green. We're still trending up. We got the bounce off the band. You know what? Let me go ahead and just get a steak dinner, baby. That's all I want. A steak dinner. That's 500. Now, how much does a steak dinner cost these days? How much does steak dinner cost these days? Uh, Hopefully we won't get none of our cattle from Canada. Canada, join us. Join me if you want to live. Anyways, yeah, this thing's been messing around with 625. We know where we've been. That's 1,000. Here we go. Come on, baby. You're gonna hit it this time? You're gonna hit it this time? Yes, because the trade never changed. You're gonna come on. Pay me, bitch. Jesus, what's going on? We never got an alert out, but damn you. Linda, Let's get that fill. Boom. Okay, nice. Nice. Well done. Okay, we're done. Right? So what did we learn from all of this, right? We got stopped out, we made money. We then go ahead and recalibrate. Did the trade change mechanically? Did the candle break below the band? And did it travel downward? No. Were we still in an uptrend? Did we have multiple confluences? Were the buyers still in control? The trade never changed. All it did was take a breather. It's kind of like a run in full sprint. Yeah, stop. Take a few breaths. I know I do. Well, I'm going to meet Jesus for real. Stop. Take a few breaths and then continue on your jog. The market needs to do that, right? Because the market is looking for price efficiency. And so if you are deviating from the price efficiency, or you're deviating, and of course what we can do here is look at something like Excel on the average to 200 on the average. We've deviated from the average price of the past 200 candles. You would have to expect that there's a little bit of a breather, but boys and girls, this is the best trading system on earth. This is Trade 1348. This is alert driven. We did not get an alert to get out the trade. Holy hell. You guys, if you got 9 to 5 jobs, we get you an alert to get in the trade. You get an alert to get out of the trade. We go ahead and we disarm the candles and we just keep it moving. This here will change your life because all you need is a 1.5 to 1, baby. And you know what? That compounding sexy. Do not let greed fuck you up. That's all I got to say. I'm signing out. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I had a lot of fun. We made money live. We made money. Yeah, the consensus says the best system on earth. You guys, let's get a thumbs up if this, in fact, is the best system on earth, the best thing you've ever come across in sliced bread, and maybe, that sweet, cavernous plug full of warmth and moist and um love you guys. We're out. We made our money. We're gonna keep our money. Let's do it. All right. Peace out, folks. I'm outie.